Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling precise permissions, so the app can attach coordinates and timestamps to images. Once done, make sure your device clock is accurate and wait for a solid GPS lock, typically 3-5 satellites, because the stamp's accuracy depends on it. Next, open the camera's GPS photo stamp mode and choose a map overlay and metadata fields. Do this now, don't delay. These first steps guarantee that every photo will carry reliable location, date, and directional data for later mapping. You frame the subject and confirm the GPS indicator shows a solid lock, green or filled bars, so coordinates are stable. Then adjust the map overlay scale and choose whether to include compass heading, altitude, and custom text fields. This controls how the stamp reads on maps. When you tap Capture, glance at the thumbnail metadata preview to verify the stamp shows correctly. If you'll shoot a sequence, use burst or interval mode, and keep observing the preview to catch drift early. You export images preserving embedded EXIF or paired sidecar files like XMP or JSON so mapping tools read coordinates. Then import those files into your map application or convert to KML/GPX and verify pin placement against known landmarks. If pins appear offset, try resyncing device time, perform a GPS cold start, or switch to high-accuracy location mode. Those actions fix most drift issues. Finally, document one corrected example photo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.